Okay, guys, for the next questions, we're going to answer yes, he does, no, he doesn't. Or yes, she does, no, she doesn't. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Does your dad play baseball? Does your dad play baseball?
Yes, he does.
Does your mom cook Italian food? Does your mom cook Italian food?
No, she doesn't.
Does your grandma go fishing? Does your grandma go fishing?
Yes, she does.
Does your friend read the newspaper? Does your friend read the newspaper?
No, he doesn't.
Does your sister play the piano? Does your sister play the piano?
Yes, she does.
Does your brother like soccer? Does your brother like soccer?
Yes, he does.
Does your mom drive a car? Does your mom drive a car?
No, she doesn't.
Does your dad watch TV at night? Does your dad watch TV at night?
No, he doesn't.
Does your best friend have a pet? Does your best friend have a pet?
Yes, he does.
Does your teacher drink coffee? Does your teacher drink coffee?
Yes, he does.
Good job, guys. Very good, guys.